Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your TikTok recap 2024. So if you want to find or if you want to discover your TikTok recap, your 2024 recap on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. First, you can just open your CapCut and then you can just head to your profile. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then go to the settings and privacy. So in here, you need to first download your TikTok data. So you can go to the account in here and then you'll find this option, download your data. So you can get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. Click on this. And then here, what you need to do is go to the request data. You need to select the data that you want to download. For example, if you want to have all data, you can just choose this. But if you want to customize it, you can also adjust it to how ever you need. And here for the file format, you need to change it into this one, GSOSN. So you can allow other services to import your file. So you can click on this and tap on done. And after that, you can just click on request data. Okay, after you request your data, you need to wait until you find this notifications under the system notifications. So after you send a request, you can see this one. And after TikTok already finish your data, there will be this notification, the file you've requested containing your TikTok information is now ready for you to download. So you can just go to the data in here, just click on a notification and you'll see this one, and you can just tap on download. So after you download the file, you can open your browser, and then in here you can just find this one, wrap for TikToks. You can see this page, wrap.fantazen.io. Okay, this is what you need to do is just click on the start now, so you can get personalized insight into your TikTok activity and find out how you spend the last year. You can click on start now, and here you can just click on this. So since you already download your data, you can just click on this, I have my TikTok file, then tap on select file, and here you can go to the media picker and then choose the data from your TikTok in here. So after you upload your file, this is how your TikTok recap or wrapped will look like. You can see how many total time that you spend on TikTok, and they will compare you in the time you could have write a novel but you didn't. Okay, and after that they will also show you the longest time you watch in here and how many TikTok downloaded that you spend and what days that you use the most on TikTok in here. You can see all of that, and here you can also see how many videos you like. And so that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.